What's up guys, DUBB. Welcome to my channel. This is my 2002 Toyota Celica, and I removed the rear control arms and replaced with a cleaner one. The other one I removed got more rust on it because the previous owner lived by the ocean, so a lot of surface rust. So I took the control arms out of my wrecked Celica. What I did is I unbolt from here, the strut tower, and also remove these two bolts right here, and one here, and along with that one over there, to get the whole control arm down. And so by doing so, the alignment is no longer true, and when I reinstall it, I need to set it back where it was. So this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the alignment. I'm not sure about other vehicles like Corolla, Matrix. Not sure they have the same setup with the rear control arms like this or not, but if you do have the same setup like this right here, let me show you how to adjust it. So this way your rear wheels have the right toe alignment, and this will look like right here. You got little markings on it. Turn this part right here, you'll move the wheel toe in or toe out. Example. See, right now it's toe in or positive toe. Then toe out. And let me show you the correct position for it. So I'll clean it up so you can see it easier. You have marking right here and a marking right here. So what you want to do is move this marking toward the center right here. I got this one already set up. See how the marking is pointing above the little bump right there. So I'm gonna set the other side exactly the same. I got 7/8 socket right here that I'm using. You can use a wrench. See right there. Let me go and tighten the top part a little bit so this way it won't bounce back. Right about there. I can go ahead and tighten the outer nut. And I believe the torque on this bolt right here is around 55 foot-pounds. That should be good enough right there. Right there is the location you want the markers to be. Right there, the marker. Alright, that's pretty much it. Both sides are set the same. and you're done with your rear wheel alignment. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.